Hi, I'm Richard Martin, Senior Business Advisor with Best Practices. Gathering as much insight as possible during your launch planning phase is critical to a successful launch. Benchmark launch spending insights can provide objective third-party support to help in your planning and to help you sell your resource recommendations to the board or senior leadership. The only place you'll find this depth and breadth of information is in our benchmark research findings entitled Winning Necessary Resources for a Successful Product Launch in the United States. We've surveyed brand leaders from among 38 companies in this benchmark class. Those leaders were involved in the launch of 51 different brands. The range of company sizes and brand market opportunities among this benchmark class assures that you will find deep insight relevant to your brand. As shown in this abbreviated table of contents, you will gain insight into launch investment and timing, launch activities and staffing, and insights into market archetypes and launch resourcing. How is this reported? Well, as you've already seen, investment benchmarks are aggregated into quartiles and shown by year -3 to launch, but also segmented into launch archetypes. Launch archetypes recognize and identify factors that impact launch planning and spending needs. Where you fit in this scheme has a major influence on your planning. Being able to define this and link it to specific benchmark resource planning gives you a tremendous opportunity to refine your plans and shape the organization's support. This can be further analyzed for you based on your very specific interests and needs. The detail available is remarkable. Imagine being able to see relevant benchmarks of both aggregate spending and line item spending years -3 through launch. It's here. The insight can help you evaluate and ultimately support your recommendations and plans depending on your unique situation. And there's so much more. Spending is one thing. Staffing allocation years -3 through launch is another level of critical insight available here. The depth and breadth of insight is unprecedented. In fact, the actionable insight you can gain in your launch planning efforts through these benchmark research findings is difficult to overstate. There's so much more I could share here, but time is limited. We would love to provide additional information and talk with you to answer any questions regarding this or other benchmark insights we have that can make a difference in your launch planning and launch success. If you'd like to receive a brief excerpt of this research, please take action as indicated here, or of course send us a message at information@best-in-class.com. If you'd like to discuss, please share your contact information and we will work with you to arrange a time to talk. Thanks again. We look forward to talking with you soon.